Nigeria failed us again. My car is still there. My car is still there. Look at it. I came out. They came with tear gas. I came out for my brother. For my brother, but that's what, as in, this is the cab man that helped me. This man. They fired tear gas. We don't know where these people came from the back. From the back.
Who are the people?
They come from the front. We don't know them. Maybe or no people. I don't even know them. We are just seeing tear gas.
Are there not securities there? Are there not police people there?
All the police officers, they are there. They are not doing anything. They are securing us. I am beside like 2 or 3 police. We are there.
They don't have any problem with us.
Those police we are securing us.
We don't even know where they came from.
Just see, if we need to get, okay, you people were there. Some people were, the police were there securing you, and then some people came from the back and started throwing tear gas.
Yes. We were sitting in front of the toll gate at the middle, all of us. We have police, we have like 4 or 5 police around us. We have a lot of police there. So where the tear gas came from, we did not see it. We just hear the tear gas coming from the back and throwing what's it called? A lot of people are there, a lot of girls are there on the floor. There's bike, cars cannot move. You know they park, there's traffic. No cars can move. So it was this car that helped us. We just left that place down. So we're going to pass the back. There's still a lot of people on the floor there. They're still throwing the tear gas. It is not fake news.
These people came from the back. We don't even know them.
It is not the police.
I was there. I parked.
Did they see their faces? What were they wearing?
As in, they are not putting on anything. The people that I see,
we did not see them.
If you are close to them, you are going to see them. Maybe they are putting on uniform or something. But we are not close to them.
Okay.
We are not close.
Okay, so is it only tear gas? Is it only tear gas they did?
No, they said.
When the tear gas, people are calling us after the tear gas. They are shooting. But nobody can wait to even testify. Maybe it's tear gas or gun. I can only testify tear gas. A lot of people have been injured tonight.
There's a lot of girls on the floor.
I know tomorrow people will come out and say something.
I'm gonna take gas, they shoot like guys. See, this thing is becoming. See as people they roam good. See. They are pressing the hello.
I don't see something was happening.
See where people disappear. That was not
the jump face. See them.
That was not be born with this.
Imagine it's gone.
The police get sent, so they just keep quiet and say leave everybody.
Oh, Jesus! What the road? Jesus!
Jagas! Hey! Jagas! Jagas! Pressure! That's Jagas! Stop, Toga! I saw one girl with my eye like this. I said she don't keep for that, she don't be pleased again. Oh, Jagas! Somebody see that my eye, I swear, that's my eye. Be careful now, bros. Yeah, calm down. When I see tear gas, guys, see tear gas. Start they are shooting tear gas for peaceful protest. We see Nigerian police, we see them. Start they shoot tear gas. Start they shoot tear gas. What the F? Start they shooting tear gas. Hey! See tear gas everywhere. They see Nigerian police. See tear gas everywhere. What the F? See tear gas everywhere, guys.
They don't pursue us with tear gas, so they don't pursue us with tear gas like this. Guy, I don't know what happened, Sha, but I can't listen to tear gas pursue me. Mona, beg, don't touch your eyes, so don't touch your eyes.